Beneath the surface of the East African desert, in a maze of underground tunnels, there's a creature that looks like a wrinkled sausage with teeth, and it doesn't feel pain. Not a little pain, not reduced pain, no pain. What if I told you you could expose this animal to acid, to extreme heat, to chemicals that would make you scream in agony, and it wouldn't even flinch? This is the naked mole rat, and it's not just immune to pain, it's immune to cancer. It barely ages. It can survive without oxygen for 18 minutes. And scientists have absolutely no idea why evolution created something this strange. Let's start with the pain thing. Pain exists for a reason. It's your body's alarm system. Touch fire, pain tells you to pull away. Break a bone, pain tells you to stop moving. Without pain, you destroy yourself without even knowing it. That's why people born with congenital insensitivity to pain often don't survive long. They bite through their own tongues as children. They break bones without realizing. Pain, as much as we hate it, keeps us alive. But the naked mole rat? It rewrote that entire system. Scientists discovered that naked mole rats lack a neurotransmitter called substance P in their sensory neurons. This is the chemical that transmits pain signals to the brain. No substance P, no pain signal. No pain signal, no suffering. They feel pressure, they feel touch, but acid on their skin, heat damage, chemical burns, nothing. Now here's where it gets truly bizarre. This isn't just a genetic fluke, this is an adaptation. Naked mole rats live in overcrowded underground colonies with terrible air quality. The tunnels are filled with carbon dioxide, with ammonia from urine and waste, with acidic gases that would burn your lungs. For most mammals, that environment would be constant agony, but for naked mole rats, it's just home. They evolved to ignore the pain because feeling it would be useless. There's nowhere to escape to. The entire colony lives in that toxic air, so evolution just turned off the alarm. But scientists still don't fully understand the mechanism. Why didn't they evolve better ventilation behavior instead? Why turn off pain entirely rather than just developing resistance to specific chemicals? We really can't explain why evolution chose this extreme solution. And it gets weirder. Naked mole rats also don't get cancer, almost never. They have a unique form of cellular regulation that prevents tumors from forming. They live 30 years, 10 times longer than similar-sized rodents. Their metabolism is strange, their social structure is bizarre. They're like evolution's experimental prototype, a rough draft that somehow works. Right now, beneath the deserts of Kenya and Ethiopia, there are millions of naked mole rats, living in darkness, breathing toxic air, feeling no pain, aging slower than they should, resisting diseases that kill almost everything else. They're living proof that biology doesn't follow rules, it follows results. And the most unsettling question? What else did evolution turn off to make this creature work? What other sensory experiences are naked mole rats missing that we take for granted? Pain is universal, or we thought it was, until we found something that didn't need it, that rejected it, that evolved past it. What else can life do without? What other fundamental experiences are actually optional? Some creatures don't adapt to their environment. They just stop caring about it. And maybe that's the most terrifying adaptation of all.